Segway-Ninebot. 7%. Ganda, no? Parang laruan. Kasya ba tayo dyan? O pambata lang? Kasya siguro tayo dyan,
siguro,
no?
kasi ito naman
Kasi yung legs, oh.
labas naman. Dito lang.
Pero parang pambata siya, no? Kasi dito, eh, pag hindi tayo kasya, sir.
Diba?
Nasa mukha natin to. Ay, ba't ganun? Bilalo mo sa bata. Nabababa.
Natataas pa siguro.
Go-Kart Pro, tingnan natin, up to 98,000 this go-kart. 98,000. This is for kids?
And adults.
Adults?
Yeah,
It's adjustable. It's adjustable, sir. Adjustable. Pwede pa habahin.
Hindi nga pa ganun yun.
It's 98,000, huh?
Yep.
But this is a toy. No? It's a toy.
Yeah, basically.
But
But you wouldn't use it for transportation.
Oh, yeah. Because it's only 37, right?
Yeah, 37 kilometers.
And it's very low. The other cars might run on you, run over you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You could use it in a village.
In a village, yes. In style. You can go buy some
Yeah.
iced tea.
Except for the humps, it's a little. Yeah.
And of course, you have to lock it and watch it because it's a 98,000.
Yes.
Pricier than motorcycles. This is for the security guard, right? For the
Yeah. It's the X2 patroller.
how much?
That one's 450,000.
How about the battery life?
Around 3 to 5 years.
Wow.
And then we also have a service center in Paco, Manila.
I think the New York police use this. New York police, yeah.
Yeah, you can use it outdoors or indoors.
You can chase the bad guys with this.
Yeah, it
What's the
does.
speed?
That one I believe is around 25 kilometers per hour.
25. It can run over stairs. You haven't tried?
No, not stairs.
Because this is gyro, right? This is gyro. It's balanced by the computer.
Yeah.
Yeah. You won't fall.
You can potentially if you lean back too far and you don't bounce. Yeah. You can.
Because that's a gyro. That's some kind of liquid inside there. But nice, huh? Nice. But this is for you can use in rough roads, rough terrain.
You can use outdoors or indoors.
Yeah. Okay.
People, cops use this on the beach sometimes.
I know this Segway is 20 years old or
Ours
yeah.
is 11. We're
11.
Simply Moving Philippines, the official distributor in the Philippines.
So this is Segway-Ninebot.
Yeah.
Not Segway only.
No. Because
Segway-Ninebot.
it started Segway, and then China bought it, the Ninebot.
Oh
and
my
then in
god,
2000
China bought it.
So now it's Segway-Ninebot.
Like most companies, China is buying, huh? Like the Benelli, like the Seaway.
Exactly.
To make it cheaper, I think.
Yeah.
But you can't afford this if it's in America or
Yeah.
maybe the price will double or triple.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. This is the stand-up scooter. You can use for village. Magkano, sir, yung ganito?
So mas lightweight siya. Ito,
It's foldable na, sir? Foldable? You can fold it?
lahat po foldable.
Yeah.
Lahat is
How much for this? Magkano to, sir?
This one is 47,000. And distance ito 65 kilometers.
Wow!
Yeah.
My God! Ang layo! You can use it to go to the office.
Kung depends sa
Yeah.
office niyo. Pero kaya ng alabang and back.
Wow!
Yeah.
65!
Yung D series.
So this is not gyro, no? Mababagsak ka pag
walang self-balancing. It senses the speed ng 5 kilometers mag-activate siya.
So you have to ganun-ganun pa rin, no? Hindi
May
pala.
accelerator.
May accelerator. Ang galing.
Ito, accelerator yan. Brake.
So definitely, sir, hindi pwede yan sa ulan.
Ano siya, weatherproof.
Weatherproof, but not submerged, no?
Wag submerged. Yeah.
So 9 baht, Segway-Ninebot.
Segway-Ninebot.
Quality, no? It's a quality.
Oh, yes.
The other one is with the shocks. This one.
Yes, with shocks siya.
Ito may cover lang.
E22. This one, small, younger version. E25.
Segway-Ninebot. This is for the kids, no? Not dangerous for the kids, na hindi mo delikado. Liit ng gulong, ano?
So, even the kids, di ba, may scooters naman.
Tama, may ganyan sila, yung scooty bag.
Yeah, so that's why as early as 6-year-old, pwede nang sumakay dito.
Alam mo, sa sobrang traffic kailangan masanay na tayo sa mga ganyan-ganyan no? Grabe na. This is 8,000, this is 14, 15,000, 17,000. So, habang lumalaki, tumataas. But of course, the quality of this one is above else, no? Quality. So this for kids, no? For kids.
So, if ang Segway is known for the self-balancing.
Yeah, this for the police, no? Police.
Oh, yan yung original. So, nung nilitan nila, ginawa nilang mini. Probably you heard about the hoverboard, no? Si hoverboard, kinopia niya yung si Segway. So, ang ginawa naman nila, from here, ginawang go-kart. Ito yung nasa likod niya.
Ito ba pang bata? Ito pang matanda? Ay, maliit no?
Pwedeng bata, matanda. Basta ang key dito, besides sa balancing, pwede mong gamitin sa go-kart. Ito yung nasa likod nito.
Ano? Ito?
Yan yung engine niya.
So, ibig sabihin, pagka bumili ka nito, meron ka na nito.
Oo.
So, 2-in-1.
2-in-1.
You can use it for play, you can use it for...
Yes.
Natataas to na sir, no? Tataas yan?
Meron isang model na adjustable
alam ko na, nandito yung legs, iipitin mo to.
Ito sa legs,
Oo.
and then meron pa isa.
So, parang naka-hands-free ka na gano'n. Ayun, so, nice. Naka-gyro siya. Ang galing.
Ito yung may gyro.
So, as it takes, magkano to sir? Yung pinaka-engine niya.
This model, 24,000. 24,999.
24,000. So, pag nandun na 98 na, kasi meron na.
Yan, kasi may mas version, mas okay. Ito kasi mini S. Pag nilagyan ng go-kart kit, magiging 59. Tapos ito, 47, magiging 77. Ito, 55, magiging 98.
60,000 lang doon, pero bakit doon sa babae?
Kasi po,
pinlast na.
go-kart Pro po ito.
GoPro Pro.
Yung gray.
It's like meron kang Grand Prix.
And then engine niya, mas malaki. Mas mabilis yung speed.
Siguro, may eskwala to. Gumagana mo yung...
Gano'n siya, drifting.
Ibig sabihin. Talagang,
mag-drifting.
luxury talaga, no? Pwede kang bumili para mag-enjoy ka.
Mag-enjoy ka.
Lalo na pagka yung basketball court, lagyan mo ng tubig.
Hindi, basketball court, bumili kayo nito, gawin yung negosyo.
Pwede, no? Kaya lang, yung mga crashes kaya, no? Dapat malagyan niya ng goma.
Lagyan ng bumper.
Kasi pag na-crash,
Na meron ka na yun.
meron kayo. Kita mo kompleto na pala.
Meron kaming mga kliyente na ginawang negosyo. Itong go-kart.
Pwede nga, no? Pag nag-shift tayo sa...
Ang charge po nila 600 per 6 minutes.
Alam mo ba sa mountain, ang ginagamit nila yung ATV, mas mahal pa dyan sa 600 na sinasabi mo?
1,000
1.5 for
10 minutes.
1 hour yata. Hindi, 1 hour.
1 hour.
May guide. Pero isipin mo yun, ito mas mura pa.
Yeah.
Mag-enjoy ka rin.
So, pang negosyo, pwede kayong kumuha ng go-kart and then afterwards, ipaupan nyo.
You can get one, try it, no?
Yes.
Tapos, yung experience. Okay sir, thank you sir. Thank you sir.